Hello children, UPSC NDA examination is the first step to join the armed forces for the cadets of Sainik School. Before we start full-fledged preparation for the UPSC NDA examination for GAT paper, let us have entry-level test for General Ability Test English. Today we conduct test for 30 questions. So in this test we have 30 questions which you have to answer. Next session, remaining 20 questions, and we'll discuss the answers of these questions. In the GAT examination for English, you have 50 questions. So this is the entry-level test for you to assess how good you are in English. You have been studying this language for many years, most of you for 7 years, and few of you for the last 12 years. So you must assess yourself before you start preparing wholeheartedly for UPSC NDA examination. General Ability Test in English. Part A. Spotting errors. Directions. In this section, a number of sentences are given. The sentences are underlined in 3 separate parts and each one is labeled A, B, C. Read each sentence to find out whether there is an error in any underlined part. No sentence has more than one error. When you find an error in any one of the underlined parts, A, B or C, indicate your response on the answer sheet at the appropriate space. You may feel that there is no error in a sentence. In that case, letter D will signify no error response. You have to spot the error. That means you have to find the error in the underlined part. Spotting errors. Each question carries 4 marks. So there are totally 50 questions in GAT English question paper. So this question paper is of 200 marks. So first question. Unless you stop to make noise at once. A. I will have no option but to. B. Bring the matter to the attention of the police. C. No error. D. The first part which is underlined is represented by A, second part by B and third part by C. You have to find out whether there is an error, and if there is no error, the last option D is the right option. Question number 2. He couldn't but help. A. Shed tears at the plight of the villagers. B. Rendered homeless by devastating cyclone. C. No error. D. Question number 3 of spotting errors. Since it was his first election campaign, the candidate was confused. A. None could clearly understand. B. Either the principles he stood for or the benefits he promised? C. No error. D. Question number 4 of spotting errors. It is an established fact that the transcendental American poets and philosophers A. who lived in the latter half of the 19th century, B. were more influenced by Indian philosophy, in particular by Upanishadic philosophy, C. No error. D. Question number 5 of spotting errors. No sooner did I open the door. A. When the rain, heavy and stormy, rushed in. B. Making a shiver from head to foot. C. No error. D. Spotting errors. Question number 6. After opening the door, A. we entered into the room. B. next to the kitchen. C. No error. D. Question number 7. When the dentist came in, A. my tooth was stopped aching. B. out of fear that I might lose my tooth. C. No error. D. Questions on spotting errors. Question number 8. Emphasis on equality of life ensures A. for the health and happiness. B. of every individual. C. No error. D. Question number 9. The students were A. awaiting for. B. the arrival of the chief guest. C. No error. D. Questions on spotting errors. Question number 10. You will come A. to my party tomorrow. B. isn't it? C. No error. D. Question number 11. Having read a number of stories, A. about space travel. B. his dream now is about to visit the moon. C. No error. D. Questions on spotting errors. Question number 12. The meeting adjourned abruptly. A. by the chairman after. B. about 3 hours of deliberation. C. No error. D. Question number 13. Not one of the hundreds A. of striking workers B. were allowed to go near the factory. C. No error. D. Questions on spotting errors. Question number 14. If I had known A. this earlier. B. I will have helped him. C. No error. D. Question number 15. Mr. Smith was accused for murder. A. but the court found him not guilty. B. and acquitted him. C. No error. D. questions on sentence improvement. In this case, you have to improve the sentence. You have to find how the sentence can be better. So you have to find the error and then you have to improve upon the sentence. So this question also comes very close to spotting errors. Look at the underlined part of each sentence. Below each sentence are given three possible substitutions for the underlined part. If one of them, A, B or C, is better than the underlined part, indicate your response on the answer sheet against the corresponding letter A, B or C. If none of the substitutions improve the sentence, indicate D as your response on the answer sheet. Thus, no improvement response will be signified by the letter D. Question on sentence improvement. Question number 16. Although India is still by far a poor country, it can become rich if its natural and human resources are fully utilized. By far is underlined. Find out a better phrase for by far. Find out whether there is an error in this. A. Few and far between. B. By and large. C. By and by. D. No improvement. Question number 17. The more they earn, more they spend. A. More they earn, more they spend. B. More they earn, the more they spend. C. The more they earn, the more they spend. D. No improvement. Question on sentence improvement. Question number 18. But in all these cases, conversion from one scale to another is easy because scales have well formulated. Have well formulated is underlined. And you have to find better phrase for have well formulated. A. Can be well formulated. B. Are well formulated. C. Well formulated. D. No improvement. Question number 19. 5 years ago, on this date, I am sitting in a small Japanese car, driving across Poland towards Berlin. A. Was sitting. B. Sat. C. Have been sitting. D. No improvement. Question on sentence improvement. Question number 20. The old man felled some trees in the garden with hardly no effort at all. Hardly no effort is underlined. A. Hard effort. B. Hardly any effort. C. Hardly any effort. D. No improvement. Question number 21. On sentence improvement. She says she's already paid me back, but I can't remember, so I will have to take her word. To take her word. Find out another phrase for that, a right phrase. A. To take her word true. B. To take her at her word. C. To take her word for it. D. No improvement. Question number 22 on sentence improvement. The workers are hell-bent at getting what is due to them. Hell-bent at getting is underlined. A. Hell-bent on getting. B. Hell-bent for getting. C. Hell-bent to getting. D. No improvement. Question on sentence improvement. Question number 23. You are warned against committing the same mistake again. A. To commit. B. For committing. C. Against to commit. D. No improvement. Underlined phrase is against committee. Question number 24 on sentence improvement. While we would like that all Indian children to go to school, we need to ponder why they do not. Underlined is that all Indian children. A. That all the Indian children. B. If all the children of India. C. All Indian children. D. No improvement. Question on sentence improvement. Question number 25. Due to these reasons, we are all in favor of universal compulsory education. Due to these reasons is underlined. A. Out of these reasons. B. For these reasons. C. By these reasons. D. No improvement. Question number 26. When it was feared that the serfs might go too far and gain their freedom from serfdom, the Protestant leaders joined the princes at crushing them. At crushing is underlined. A. Into crushing. B. In crushing. C. Without crushing. D. No improvement. Question on sentence improvement. Question number 27. In India today, many of our intellectuals still talk in terms of the French Revolution and the rights of man, not appreciating that much has happened since then. Much has happened is underlined. A. Much has been happening. B. Much had happened. C. Much might happen. D. No improvement. Question on sentence improvement. Question number 28. Taxpayers are to be conscious of their privileges. R2 is underlined. A. Have to. B. Need. C. Ought to. D. No improvement. Question on sentence improvement. Question number 29. I would have waited for you at the station if I knew that you would come. Knew is underlined. A. Had known. B. Was knowing. C. Have known. D. No improvement. Question number 30. This is the last question on sentence improvement and for this session. No one could explain how a calm and balanced person like him could perpetrate such a mindless act on his friends. Underlined word is penetrate. A. Perpetuate. B. Perpetrated. C. Precipitate. D. No improvement.